Hello, if you are new, welcome to the video, or thanks for coming back. We recently uploaded West Burton Power Station boiler house being blown down, a few days before we scouted the area looking for a good place to watch from. Sturton Le Steeple, a village on the south side of the power station, had a few lanes in the right direction. Driving through the village, we turned left between St. Peter's and St. Paul's Village Church and the Reindeer Public House. Both look like places worth a visit. As we left the buildings behind, we were on Low Holland Lane heading towards Littleborough village. Just over halfway along this road you come across a real blast from the past. A toll house. It has just celebrated its 200th birthday and has in recent times been renovated, converting it into a home. I am driving a 1997 Volvo V70. A car common to both sides of the Atlantic for any Americans that find this channel. Along an average country road with a 60 miles per hour speed limit and no passing places for when you meet oncoming traffic. As we head on towards Littleborough, the road gets narrower. If you got this far, thank you so much. The YouTube beg, please subscribe and like the video. It is free of charge.